Good morning, and welcome to GNB Now. I'm John, bringing you the latest headlines. Our top story today: a federal court has ordered Americare Healthcare Services, LLC, and its owner, Dilli Adhikari, to pay nearly $15 million in back wages and damages for overtime violations. The case, decided by the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Ohio, found that Americare failed to properly compensate its home healthcare aides for overtime work between October 2019 and April 2024. The court also ruled that the company violated the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, by misclassifying employees and failing to keep proper payroll records. Court's findings: Americare, a third-party home care agency with offices in Columbus, Cleveland, Cincinnati, and Akron, provides services such as hygiene assistance, personal care, nutrition, and mobility support to primarily elderly clients. According to the court document, Americare was found to have underpaid employees by failing to compensate them at the legally required overtime rate. Instead of paying time and a half for hours worked beyond 40 in a week, Americare manipulated hourly rates and paid straight-time wages, violating FLSA's overtime provisions. The court granted summary judgment in favor of the Department of Labor, DOL, affirming that Americare aides were employees under FLSA, not independent contractors. Exemptions claimed by Americare were invalid, as third-party employers cannot claim overtime exemptions for companionship services or live caregivers. Record-keeping violations occurred as Americare failed to maintain proper payroll records reflecting overtime payments. Court's order: Americare and its owner have been ordered to pay $7.47 million in back wages for unpaid overtime, an equal amount in liquidated damages, bringing the total nearly to $15 million. Liquidated damages serve as both a penalty for the employer and compensation for employees who experience delayed wages. Additionally, the court has instructed Americare to submit payroll and time records from April 15, 2024, onward within 14 days. If the records show ongoing violations, the DOL must file a notice and proposed order outlining further damages. DOL's motion to admit deposition of John Linkosky denied as moot. The court also ruled on another matter in the case. A motion is considered moot when the issue it addresses has already been resolved or has become irrelevant due to other rulings in the case. In short, the court did not deny the deposition because it was incorrect or improper, but simply because it was no longer needed in deciding the case. Stay with us. Coming up next, we'll discuss the broader impact of this ruling on the home healthcare industry and what it means for workers' rights nationwide. But first, a quick commercial break.
This is why you need GNB. Stay connected, stay informed. Delivers fast, accurate, and in-depth reporting on the latest global headlines. With expert analysis and live updates, we bring breaking news, political developments, economic shifts, and major events directly to you. Stay informed with reliable journalism that keeps you ahead of the news cycle. Because when it happens, you'll hear it first on GNB Now, whether on YouTube, online, or through social media. GNB Now is your go-to source for timely, credible, and engaging global news. Catch the latest on gnbnow.com. Do not forget to subscribe us on YouTube at GNB Now.
Welcome back. This ruling serves as a major warning to employers in the home healthcare industry and beyond. Failure to comply with federal wage laws can lead to severe financial penalties. The Department of Labor has been actively cracking down on wage theft, and this case highlights the importance of paying workers fairly and keeping accurate payroll records. That's all for today's briefing. For more updates, visit gnbnow.com and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Disclaimer for GNB Now News. This news story is an experimental creation by global newsbreak, GNB Now, utilizing AI tools for voice and images. The contents are sourced from GNB Now and other news outlets. All images and content within this story are intended for informational purposes only, and we do not claim ownership or copyright over them.